Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to type in Google Sheets app. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is you have to open your Google Sheet, and then if you want to type, you have to open the existing file, or you can also create new file by clicking on this button. And I'm going to create new file, so I'm just gonna press this button and then click new spreadsheet. Then wait for a moment. And here we go. This is the file that I have just created. And if you want to type in your file, you just have to click on the cell like this. Just click on the cell and enter text or formula. For example, I'm going to type name. After that, you can click on this check mark. And if you want to type in another cell, you just have to click on the cell. For example, I'm going to type right here. Just click on the cell and enter text. And click this check mark. Alright guys, that's how we can type in Google Sheets. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and bye!